Hi YouTubers, this is ZeroAmps and this is my new toy which I bought on AliExpress and I'm going to introduce to you. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. And here it is. It's a portable hot air gun. This is the connector which you have to connect to a control unit. Yeah, this is the control unit where you can control temperature and airflow. Here you can see some instructions in English similar to mine. Yeah. And here is a control panel, yeah, with the buttons. Here is the socket for mains cord plug. And here is a socket for connecting hot air gun. Yeah. You have to connect it like this. It's ready for using in all sockets, yeah, in various voltages. So I'm going to use in the European Union. This is mains power cord which I'm going to plug in. This is a very interesting thing. It looks like holder. It is actually holder, but it has also another function. I'll explain later on in this video. Here is a set of nozzles for the gun. Yeah, but pay attention to one thing. Yeah, look at this. There is a small snag. Yeah, and it's also on the opposite side. Yeah. And when you are putting on the gun, you have to realize this small path, yeah, and that snag has to go there, yeah. So don't push any nozzle on the gun, yeah. You should do that like this, yeah, very easily. Okay. They also sent to me this spare heating element. They also sent this painting brush, this set of tweezers. At first sight they look alright, and they also send this set of tools for removing components from boards. This is a very short user manual, yeah, so we've got used to it. There are actually just 3 pages, but it's enough to understand how to use this tool, yeah. So during the playing with this control unit, I came across this one. Listen. I'm very curious what's rumbling inside, so let's open it. There are just 4 screws you have to remove and you are inside. After looking at it a while, yeah, I found out that this bolt nut is released. And after fixing, listen now. So it's fixed, and let's have a look how to use it. Yeah, by pushing on the setup button for a while, you turn it on, And if you want to turn it off, you have to also push the button for several seconds. So let's turn it on again. And now you can regulate temperature, yeah, just pushing shortly on those two arrows you increase or decrease temperature, yeah. And if you push those arrows buttons longer, you can change temperature quickly, yeah. If you push the setup button, yeah, shortly, you switch to a second mode where you can control airflow. Yeah, there are just 10 levels. Yeah, level 1 is the lowest, and the level 10 is the highest one you can select, yeah, on this tool. And pressing the setup button, you can get back to the temperature mode. I mentioned at the beginning of this video that this holder also has another function, and if you put it uh, into the holder, it switches to sleeping mode, yeah. It starts cooling down, yeah, to 100, and then it turns off, yeah. Nice. And if you take it off the holder, it immediately starts working, yeah. I like this feature a lot. Okay, enough introduction, let's test it. I've got here a small board, I think it's from a battery, yeah, and as you can see it works. The liquid is flux, yeah. Nice. Some components are very small. Oh. Let's remove another component. Yes, it really works nicely. I like it. And let's test it on something a little bigger. And surprisingly it works, yeah? Okay. I've been using it for several weeks and I'm very satisfied. The only thing I have to study more is how to adjust the right temperature and which nozzle to use, yeah. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.